Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Today we are not sharing a recipe per se, but I'm going to be teaching you ways in which you can enhance the taste and flavor in your porridges. With these ways, trust me, you realize that the sugar and milk you've been adding all these years doesn't really bring out the taste in your porridges. So please stay with me and let's start right away. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using kondo porridge mostly, but I'll also add some oats porridge along the line, okay? So for the first way to enhance the flavor and taste of your porridge, you need to add some fruits. Yes, this is particularly awesome if you have some kids also at home. So what I added in was dates. You can be versatile and add some bananas. You don't have to cook the bananas, okay? You can also add in, depending on the age of those enjoying the porridges, some cooked apples and pears. Again, depending on who is eating the porridge or drinking the porridge, you can add them in pureed or in chunks. So, of course, the fruits not only add sweetness but more nutrition as well. Another way you can enhance the taste and flavor of your porridge is by adding some fats and oils. So, I added some cold pressed coconut oil here. You can as well add in some butter, not margarine. Take notes, butter, okay? Also, if you're making kondo porridge, you can also use palm oil. Yes, in a very old video, I showed how to make that porridge as well. It's a very ancient recipe, and trust me, your kids will not even notice if you use proper palm oil, okay? Away from the fats and oils, you can also use vegetables to enhance the taste, flavor, and nutritional value of your single grain, particularly porridges. Okay, so in this video, I am making oats and carrots porridge. So there's two ways you can do this. You can cook the oats and raw carrots together and then blend when you're done. Of course, that's if you're serving to a child who cannot tolerate any lumps in the porridge. Or you can cook the oats separately and cook the carrots separately. Puree the carrots when it's done and then add it to your oats and serve. Of course, carrots are not the only vegetables you can add to your porridges. You can do peas, broccoli, any vegetable that you're comfortable using essentially. Just make sure that if you're serving it to a baby or toddler, it's blended very well and initially cooked very well before adding to the porridge, okay? So as you can see in this video, I blended my carrots with some milk. You can blend with water, even the water in which you cook the carrots, okay? It has also a lot of nutrients in that water, okay? And then mix it with your porridge and then you're good to go. Another way you can enhance the taste and flavor and nutritional value of your single grained porridges is by adding some proteins. So in this demonstration, I'm using the egg as the source of protein. So I made some kondo porridge, but I called it kondo custard. And that's because I added an egg to it, okay? But essentially, apart from egg, you can use granite paste or peanut butter. And then some other times too, you can use fish or shrimp powder if your baby or whoever is eating the porridge can't tolerate it. But make sure with the raw protein, like the eggs, you're cooking it thoroughly. You don't want a situation whereby the porridge will be done and then somebody will eat it and then get sick. When it comes to making your porridges more delicious and nutritious, the last tip I'll be sharing is to add some spices. Yes, cinnamon is a great spice to add. You can add nutmeg as well. And then one of my favorites, flax seeds, okay, whether grounded or in the seed like form, you can use that. And some also prefer to add chia seeds, that's also fine. I hope with this video you will not serve your future porridges with just sugar and milk, okay? And also let me know in the comment section other things you add to your porridges to give it a kick, okay? Add some oomph to it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the video, share when you are done watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until I see you again, keep blooming.